Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at how to create your own cryptocurrency. Nowadays everyone is crazy about cryptocurrencies, bitcoins, ethereums, and there's so many cryptocurrencies out there in the market. And at one point of time, I would have thought that I need to create my own cryptocurrency. So here we are in this video. We're going to look at how to create one for you. So there are two type of cryptocurrencies you can create. One is a coin, another one is a token. Creating a crypto coin, it's a bit complex. You need to have some coding backgrounds, deep information about how crypto works, the blockchain things, and other things. Talking about the crypto tokens, it's quite easy. It just takes like maximum $5 to create your own tokens, and you can name it whatever you want, and you can mint your own tokens. And if you're able to put it into any exchange, you'll be able to make some money with that. All right, let's talk about how to create the tokens. And this is the Binance link I'll be sharing in the site, which actually has all the information about how to create your own cryptocurrency and token. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to create your own crypto token. So I will move on to the section where it talks about creating your own token. So we're going to use the Binance Smart Chain network. So it's like reusing the existing blockchain to create a token rather than creating your own blockchain. So these are the steps which is like how to create your token. I tried reading from this site and creating it. I went on to hit some issues here and there, but somehow I managed to create my token. And I thought of taking a video to show everyone how to make it. So the first step is to link in MetaMask to your Binance account. So MetaMask is similar like a wallet. You can actually swap token, or it's like in wallet, wallet. You can hold your currencies. So MetaMask has some add-ons in the Chrome, or you can have it in iOS or the Android. For this point of video, I'm going to talk about how to add the MetaMask to your Chrome. So MetaMask, you can go to Google add-ons and add the MetaMask. I will talk about a separate setup of how to add your MetaMask account. So for creating an BEP20 token, you need to have Binance coin. So you need to link your MetaMask and have some Binance coin as well. So as you can see, I have 0.0029 Binance coin. By default, it will be in Ethereum mainnet, but you need to add Binance mainnet as well. So what you need to do is after setting up in MetaMask, go to the networks, add network, and let's see where we have the information. So this is the link where it shows how to connect your Binance network to MetaMask. Just scrolling down, it has all the information about what are the details you need to enter in the MetaMask. So the network name is here, the smart chain, and the new RPC URL. This is the RPC URL. Chain ID is 56, and symbol is BNB, and the blockchain block explorer URL is BSC scan. I'm not doing it because I've already added it here. As you can see, this is a smart chain network I've added, and I'm heading back to MetaMask. I can see that the network has been smart chain. I have 0.0029 BNB. If I change on to Ethereum mainnet, it will show you like how much Ethereum you have. Obviously, I have zero. So I will switch back to smart chain and I have 0.0029 BNB. I can see another token here as well. So this is the one that I created, and it's under the Binance Smart Chain. And that's the reason you see these are the assets under this Binance Smart Chain. So heading back to how to create your token. So next step in creating a token is to open the Remix. It's an on application for developing and deploying the smart chains. As you can see, that's what I mentioned here. And so I've just clicked the Remix, and you can see this is by default it opens. Help us to improve Remix, sure, why not? Next, done. So I've opened the Remix. Moving on to the next step. So you'll have to right click the contract, a new file, and rename it as bep20.sol. So let's do that. Contract, right click, new file, name as bep.sol, click enter. Yep, it's all done. So moving on to the next one. Make sure your programming language is Solidity. So moving on to the next tab. It's already in Solidity, so that's all good. Next one is the contract code. So this is the contract code that you need to copy from this link. Let's copy this. Head back to Remix, paste the code. Moving on to the next step, you need to modify what is the currency name and what is the symbol, decimal, total supply, and all those details. So let's head back there. Just for easy reference, it is in line number 352. So let's name the token as Willow Palm token, and the token symbol, it's up to you, whatever you want you can name it as. Let's see, WP3, and this is the token I'm going to create now, and the number of decimal points you want to do, and let's say 10, and let's type in 10 supplies. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All right, so that's the step here. Moving on to the next one, you need to compile your code. So moving on to the next one, and this is auto compile, enable optimization. So you can see this one has changed to 15.6 because you have mentioned as 15.5.16 as the code version. So let's compile the code. As you can see, it's been compiled successfully. You got a tick mark here, so that's all fine. Says let's copy the ABI. You got the ABI here. Let's copy this, paste it in any notepad or anything. Moving on to the next part. The next one is to connect a remix code, and obviously you need to deploy your smart code. So moving on to the next one, and this one environment you need to change it to inject web.web3, and the BB token, that's the token you are creating, so it's already selected there. And the next part is you need to deploy the code. So let's deploy, and the charge for this one, it takes from the MetaMask wallet. And let's quickly see how much does it cost to create this token. So that's the BNB, and that's in Australian dollars. It's converted to US dollars. That's going to be roughly $2.30. Not a very much for creating a token. So let's go ahead, deploy that, and as you can see, it's creating the token right now, and you should see an red tick very soon. Let's wait for the magic to happen in the background. Yep, it's done. Let's copy the contract. So just pasting our contract, going into the address, and you can see the Willow Palm token that we created right now from the remix application is created. So it's created for 0.1. So the next one you need to do is to verify and publish your contract code. It's not really complicated. Let's do it. Let's get back to BSC scan, go to more developers. You can see the verify contract. Click that, and here you need to select and paste the contract address. Just head back to the contract. Let's copy that and paste it here. Get back again, copy the contract address, go to the verify and publish contract, paste the contract address. So the next is select the Solidity as the compiler type, and Solidity is selected. Next one is to select the version, If you have remember from the beginning, we selected 5.16 as the version for the Solidity code. That's what we're selecting now. And open source license is 4. And that's what mentioned in the article from the Binance as well. Right, let's go ahead and click continue. Here we need to paste the contract code. For that we need to flatten it. So let's get back to the Remix application. There are two steps where you can flatten, like this one, right click flatten, or go to the flattener tab and then flatten the bep20.sol, and it will be automatically copied to your clipboard. So all you have to do is head back to the BSC scan and paste the flattened BEP20SOL. Let's do that now. Paste it here, and the optimization should be yes, yes. Let's go down. I'm not a robo. Verify and publish. Hope it works fine. Let's wait for the magic to happen again. Yep, successfully created. So this is the first step in completing the creation of the token, and next is to mint the tokens. Obviously, you need to have some tokens minted, right? So next step is to go to the BSC scan again and mint the token. Let's search for the hash, and where you can see the contract to the green tick. I head back there and write contract. Scroll down, I can see the fourth option as mint the amount. So just put whatever number you wanted. So just for this video reference, we'll just put some random number of zeros after 1. Click on write. We haven't connected our MetaMask token wallet, so let's head back up and connect to Web3. It should automatically get connected. Yep, it's connected. Now let's go down and then right, and for that we need to pay some Binance token as an option. For some reason the video recording doesn't capture the next application where you can see my cursor scrolling up. That's where you see the MetaMask option. So this is a transaction for minting the coins. Let's wait for a few seconds and do a refresh. Hope the coin should be minted. It's still going on. Let's give in a few more seconds. Let's do a refresh again. Yep, the coins has been minted. So let's go to our MetaMask wallet and see, as well as the address where we minted the Willow Palm token. As you can see, we have minted 100.1 WPT, and it should automatically go to the MetaMask wallet. So by default, you will not have the wallet created in MetaMask, so you need to create the wallet. So let me open the MetaMask, go to assets, import token, and copy the contract address. And as you can see, WPT has been automatically listed. So add custom token, and you should now see the tokens there now. Yep, that's the magic that's happened. You can see 100.1 wallet Willow Palm token has been created in the wallet. So let's head back and create some more tokens. Maybe add few more zeros to it. Again, you need to pay the Binance token as a gas, and as I said, you're not able to see the MetaMask pop-up window here. Um, let's go back to the transaction. I can see the transaction is happening. Let's do a refresh. It's still generating. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Let's refresh the wallet. How much is the token that's been now? Now we have created another 100,000 Willow Palm token. And let's refresh the wallet here, and you can see the Willow Palm token has been created and added 100,000 coins. So this is the last step in creating it, and you can send the Willow Palm token to anyone else as well. And you can share the contract ID, and they should be able to add the same asset like what you did right now. So all you have to do is send WPT and pay some gas. Obviously, this is a newly minted token. We will not have any other wallet created. So you can share it with your family and friends. You can play around, transfer the coins. So as you can see, this is not a really complicated step. You just follow what is mentioned in the Binance article or watch this video. Um, and if you have any comments or questions, please put in it in the comments. And if you like the video, please do and like and share the video as well. So that's all for the video today, and thank you very much for watching this video. Happy creating the tokens and minting the coins as well. Thank you.